Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube video. At this time I will show you how to make the Swan logo in negative space style. Okay, it's very simple actually. I think it's very easy to follow, even with the beginner that or a brand new designer that just started their journey in this world, this graphic design world. But the first thing, we need to make a ellipse. Just make an oval, right? This is for the body, actually, the body of the swan. Okay, maybe a little bit rounder, something like this. Okay, after this, then we can make the body shape, the curve. We start from the back, which is the tail, and then we make something like a S shape. Be something like this. Okay. Sorry, I think I need to be put the end of this line at here. Okay, and then after we make this line, we make the neckline, by using the oval again. Just remove the fill from the oval and just tilt it a bit to make like to make the neck like a bending to its wing. The position is actually like the swan still itching, maybe still trying to rub their wing, so something like that, the position. Okay, after we define this circle, then we can make the inner circle for the neck. Maybe around this, we need to make it a little bigger. Okay, something like this I think is enough. And then we can make make the cut minus run, right? Okay, after this we can create something like we can actually continue this line to cut all of this. Okay, did it cut off? Oh no, sorry guys, I think I make a mistake. We need to merge this into the oval actually, so we need to maybe just make a cut from this to this, and then from this to this line, and this line too. Okay, just to make sure that the neck will follow this line instead from this. After this we can continue this line by connecting this line to this line. So we need to remove this line, this segment, and connect to this just a little bit, move a little bit to the left, and then connect to this as a curve. Okay, we have something like neck, right? Okay, I think we also need to remove this. I think we need to make something like this, the wing. Make the wing. This is the shape of the wing. Approximately should be something like this. I think we need to add a curve, extension curve from this. To make it appear like the wing, we need to make it a little sharper. Okay, I think it's enough. You can also make this line curvy a bit. Okay, I think it's enough. After we make this line, we can continue to make the cut for this. Okay, and then we can make the cut of this by making this to create a kind of intersectional image. Intersection image with ended up with this line, and then we can make this divide any intersection shape, and then just remove another shape. Sorry, just remove this part. Oops, I think it's still connected. Maybe we need to remove by the line. Okay, and then we can merge this. Okay guys, we have the neck of the swan. You can continue to make the head of the swan. We can start by making this line create the dots. We can create this part first, which is the peak. Just a little bit, something like this, a little bit sharper. And then it's a little bit rounder. We can also make this a curve a bit to decrease the size of the neck. Okay guys, I think it's almost perfect. We just need to fix the curve a bit more tidy, so it can more define and more like the swan. Okay guys, I think when we have finished the basic shape of the swan, Then we just have to include the black color to its field. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, I think we need to make another patch on its head that usually Swan have. Usually the patch is around the beak, just before the beak, something like this, and then it's continue to this eye. It's connected, something like connecting paths to the eye, and then we can use the white space by using minus front and path finder. Okay, it's like a real fun. Real Swan. It's like a real Swan, I think. And then the eye in this point. At this point, the eye should be located. But to make this clean and simple, we don't have to include the eye. We just have this shape, the oval shape that makes this overall shape. We can also make this, reduce the sharpness of this by making by changing the curve. Okay, maybe something like this is enough. And we can also create something like rotating, make it align to the right a bit like this, because mostly dog is something like they have a back part that a little higher than the front part, so that should be the actual Swan should look like, right? So look at that, how cool it is. It just simple Swan from the oval in Illustrator. Okay guys, that's all from me. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.